Dạ con chào bà, chào ông. Dạ. Dạ. Xin phép ông bà con vào xí nha. Dạ. Yeah, yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming into the flooded house. One of the ancient house used to be the attraction listed in the ticket for sightseeing, but today it is flooded. Yes, the ancient house with the ancient antique in this house. We see that the house is very good condition, because I see here some of the material building of the house is very long lasting, including the wood and the tile from the roof. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, this is the very special, very special house. Even it was flooded, but it's not affected. I mean, it less affected. And you see the courtyard, you know, you see the courtyard of the house. Aha! The ancient house in Hoian is quite narrow, but it is long. And there are two doors. The front door for trading and business, like a merchant house. And the back door is function like, you know, the entrance and the warehouse to move furniture into the house from the river, from Hoian River. So in the back there is you know, the door to move furniture in. And you see one of the special house that we recorded this morning to show you that flood is very interesting in the ancient town of Hoian. And here is the courtyard of this ancient house. Is quite long. Wow, look at the window, look at the window, you will see. Yes, you see the ancient house windows of the bedroom. It look very pretty, look very pretty. Wow, and the quality of the good, excellent. This house is very excellent, you know. Yeah, there is a floor of the ancient, I'm sorry, of the second stories to live up. Wow. And you know the house. Okay, I see here stairs to go up, to walk up. There is a stair here to walk up. Aha, a stair to walk up to the second stories. Wow. Excellent. And much more into this house. I see, wow, we walk very a long way. And now we are coming to the kitchenette. Kitchen area is so beautiful here with the, oh my God, is deeper water in here. Yes. Okay, I see, you see really interesting house. And you know, you see the telephone. Wow, telephone here. And everything is moved up, including the fridge. Here is the fridge. And they move up here. Wow, to stay away from the flood water. And there is a, you know, a ladder by bamboo hanging over there to preparing for the flood escape. Aha. And here is the very beautiful, pretty house. We are just in the back side of the house where they preparing for a good condition of the flood. And Hoian is, you know, an ancient town was listed into the cultural heritage site of the UNESCO for 20 years. And we attract a lot of tourists daily and weekly and yearly, but accept the flood season like this. If tourists don't know, they may not know to come to Hoian. But if you plan any trip to Hoian, you have to remember that you see the good time to enjoy the people life and the ancient town line of Hoian where you can make a trip to this ancient town, right? Remember for next year? Yes, here is an interesting house, you know? Yes, and of course the tourists will come to this house soon. You see ancient house. Dạ. Chắc là đợt này cũng phải ra năm ba nhà. Ra năm mới có khách. Dạ. 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 Ngay cửa đó gì bà. À dạ.
Đó là mình thông bên kia là nửa kế bên đây nửa kế.
Dạ.
60 Nguyễn Thái Học đó.
Dạ, 60 Nguyễn Thái Học. Dạ đúng rồi.
Nhà ba rồng ha.
Dài.
Gỗ lim không?
Kế banh ngay đá chín hở lá.
Dạ.
Còn mình ngồi xa nó còn khúc xa nữa là mình còn vườn mình đẹp.
Yeah. You know, the beautiful ladies told us that the tourist is not coming soon in this year, except next year. Next year. Earlier next year. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, come in. You may come in. It's okay. Yes. The owner allow us to come into the house to take photo. Yes, don't worry. Just walk a little bit and take photo of one of the ancient house. We are tourists and we are the YouTuber. We are taking video for the good shot of the flood in Hoian. Yes. You may walk along and take photo of the house. It's very interesting.
Is it?
Yes.
Inside?
Yeah,
Okay,
you are allowed.
I'll get my phone.
Yeah. Rồi, phố cổ Hội An hôm nay thật tuyệt vời quý vị ơi. Có khách vào thăm này. Welcome and welcome. Welcome. Dạ.
Lấy cái túi.
You know, this house is used to be listed in the ticket for sightseeing entrance in the ticket. Yes. Please walk very slowly and remember that it's deeply over there. It's deeply there. Yeah. Just very close to the ceiling. Yes.
I've been here before.
Where are you from, sir?
America.
Wow.
Yeah, long way.
Long way.
Everything.
Are you living here or just arrived?
Yeah, right here.
Living here. Okay, thank you, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking the video of the in front house of the Hoian ancient town, and we will give you much more video about the ancient town. Please keep watching with us. Thank you so much. Like, share, and repost this video would be highly appreciated. Thank you.